Hey, this is Shawn Cole Enterprises, online entrepreneur, royalty affiliate. Here to talk to you today about why you should use Royaltie Upline in 2019, the benefits of it, um, a lot of the upgrades and updates that we have done with the system, and how it could benefit you in your online business. If you're in network marketing, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're just a brick and mortar store owner and you're looking to have an online presence, um, this is why you should use Royalties Upline advertising and marketing system to help grow your business and give you the online presence that you need. Top reason number one was an all-in-one advertising and marketing system. You can create your landing page, you can create a website, and generate traffic to it all from one location, which is huge. Cuts down on huge bills. It's simple. It simplifies the whole process for you, especially if you are new to the system. It's a very easy to use system that you can practically create a ad, create a landing page for your offer, for your business, for your opportunity, right in the palm of your hand. You could do that most likely in less than a couple of minutes, 5 minutes at the most. It's very simple to use, very easy to use. Also, you also do your email marketing campaigns if you're more of an advanced online marketer, online entrepreneur. All in one system. If you use TCP, if you use any other landing pages or any other online marketing system, we give you the exact same things that you get with them, plus the updated online analytics for your ad. And again, all in one centralized location for one centralized monthly price. Um, and like I said, it covers everything that you need. It gives you the online presence. You go in here, you can build a beyond basic website that I like to call it, or a very quick landing page if you're an affiliate marketer or an MLM guy, and you could do that fairly quickly. And also the big thing is that you could generate traffic to it, so you no longer have to buy if you wanted those people that were going out and you were buying clicks and stuff like that. You don't have to do that anymore. If you're buying Facebook ads or just online ads, going to Google purchasing ads, again, you don't have to go to those other sources to do that. You can do that all in one place. Create your web page, create your landing page, get your analytics, get the traffic to your offer, all from one system at one affordable monthly rate. And it's just a lot easier. It's a lot cost effective. And like I said, you know, it can't be beat. The prices that we are offering at this time, you know, they are just really unbelievable. Um, as you can see now, prices starting at $57 a month. Entrepreneur, like I said, if you're a little bit more advanced, $87 a month. And small business owners, if you run a small business, if you run a big business, you can look at this price here, $327 a month, and what we are giving you for that price, it can't be beat. Like I said, we're streaming you across social media, we're streaming you across online services, and at this right here, it just can't be beat for everything that we give you. Give you the email list, the email marketing, landing page usage. Come in here, create your own website. Um, get advanced analytics, advanced targeting. Like I said, if you're an MLMer, what you can do with landing page, you can share landing pages. There's no need for you to use. I'm pretty sure as you know right now, or if you're new to MLM or network marketing, never use the corporate web pages. It doesn't work. It doesn't convert. You can come in here to our system, use our system, create landing pages that will convert and that will sell for you. We have video also ability for your ad, which is huge nowadays because we all know that video converts at a much higher rate. And not only can you use it, you can share it with your downline. So if you are a leader in a network marketing business, it makes it a lot easier. It's a lot more cost effective than paying for several different services when you get the total package all in one location. These are the reasons that I have listed of why you should use a Royaltie Upline system in 2019, especially now with the new updates that we have, everything that we're giving you, coming you in, $57 a month gets you 5,000 impressions guaranteed, monthly. And like I said, you can step your game up to the big pro package here, the small business $327 a month, and the clicks that we give you here and the eyeballs that we got on your business here, as you can see right here in this background. And also you can also purchase additional impressions packages to add on to your monthly payment if you need a lot more. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, Shawn Cole Enterprises, 410-929-3390. You can follow me on Facebook, Shawn Cole Enterprises. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions or you'd like more information or take a look at our 3-day free trial offer that we used, click the link in the descriptions below. Again, if you have any questions, you can reach me, 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time today. Have a great one. Bye-bye.